In the live view, you'll just double click the image to see it in full screen. You'll see here I'm double clicking the individual images and it brings them up into full screen. You can also drag them to where you want them to be seen, changing, you know, getting whatever kind of layout you want. But it is very as simple as just double clicking. If you right click, it brings up this menu. And then I can go click on that little square down there and change how many cameras I see at once. There's a lot of different options. The one I just selected is 4x4. Right clicking again gets us in and out of that menu. Double clicking an image gets us the full screen camera. Pretty simple. This doesn't apply to you guys. This is actually, this camera can be manipulated. It can zoom in and stuff. So this section does not apply to you because you don't have any cameras that can move. So anyhow, we'll continue here. Again, I'm on a 4x4 window. And super easy. You got the live view. You're just double clicking to get full screen. All your cameras should be labeled on the left there when you right click. There's that little home button at the top, and it shows you two different, all of your options. You're only going to be messing with two: live view and playback. That is it. Those are the only two tabs you're going to be messing with. Under playback, you select your camera, select your date, double click your date, and the calendar, and you'll see it shows up on the right there. Then you just drag that bar to the time that you want and release, and it'll start playing where you're at. You can pause, you can fast forward, you can, you know, speed it up, slow it down. All those different red marks there are all sections of recording. This particular camera, as with yours, are set up to record only when it detects motion. It will detect more motion at night. Just the way that the infrared is set up, it is highly sensitive at night and picks up a lot of movement. So this is all you need to do. You can see that tractor over there moving triggered this particular footage. So I'm going to click that home button again, and here's the live view. And I right clicking gets us in and out of that view. I'm going to switch it back to the 3x3 view, and we are done.